as many of you requested about prices of curtains, I'm showing you the prices of ready-made curtains, like this 90-inch length one. This is the lace. This is $7.50 per piece, and the balance on the top is $4.50, and this one is for pila gani dong? $7.50? $6.50. And so you can see that the lace curtains is $7.50 plus $4.50, and the balance is $450. You can see how much you can spend for ready-made curtains. But the advantage is you got the curtains ready to install without waiting for the seamstress to finish your curtain. These are the other designs that they do. So you got the idea of pricing. For the lace is $6.50 each panel. For the balance on the top, it's $450 per panel. So these are the other styles that they do. Pila ang balance ani dong in ani? So that's only by meter cloth, and they're just showing you the design that you can do yourself because they're just using pins and ties for this design. So they're selling these fabrics here, and this is just the workers here just doing it themselves, just tying it up, and they come up with that design for the balance of the curtain. So you can see they got ready-made curtains here. So what's the expensive one is the lace, like this one. This is $195 per meter. So like the lace, it comes in a different print, and it seems to be so popular because they seems to have a whole rack. These are all just ready-made curtains, and these are the prices. Starts from 249 to 600 pesos per panel. Oh, there's 700 as well, and 800, sorry. And these are the thick ones. So you can buy here in Metro the ready-made curtains, although they have a lot of fabrics that you can choose from. This one, this cotton bead cover, 75 pesos per meter. And these are the lace, 230 per meter. And these are the other curtains, curtain material. This is Fonji printed, 50 pesos per meter. Asa yung mga curtains uban? Di ka nang fabric na curtains. Okay, this one.
Kato ang mga pang-afford ka.
Okay. This is the jacquard lace at 45 pesos per meter. This is the imported sheer glass lace at 130 pesos per meter. This is 195, the embroidery lace. And this is in Metro Mandaue. These are the curtains available here. That's 130. These are 75 pesos per meter. So for those who requested about prices of curtains and anything available, you can buy it here in Metro department stores. Ready-made curtains and accessories like curtain holders. This is just 170 pesos per pair. You got the tie ribbon ones at 45 pesos per pair. All your curtain accessories, curtain rods, and curtain ties. This pair is 110 pesos per pair. And that's the different curtain holder and the curtain. What's this? Brackets. You got the double brackets in gold and silver. That's 135 pesos. You got a single bracket for 65 pesos. And you got the end covers for the end caps for the rods. Like if you're using chrome metal like this, you can put those caps on the end to make it more prettier. So you can, I thought they have blinds in here, that's why I went here. But the curtain rod, that's the example for that, 66 inches for 118 inches. That's 995, 99, so 1,000 pesos for this curtain rod, but it's complete.
Yes, but wait lang man. I will buy.
And that's 49 inch to 84. That's 849. You also got the cheaper version. You got the traverse rods, which I use. This is just the small one. Unfortunately, it's not priced. Here's another. It's 550, the one I pick up. You got this simple ones. Just a rod with end caps made of chrome and adjustable. This is 435 pesos. They also have the wooden ones, the wooden curtain rods. So For those who requested about these items here, they're all available here in Metro department stores. In their fabric section, you can get the better price ones here. And also, like the curtain balance, you got so many ready-made to choose from. You just can connect them and it's all ready to go.